I think of my career as existing or occupying three different sectors: academia, the other industry, and then lastly the federal sector. So I've worked in three different sectors over the 50 plus years since arriving here on campus. No matter what sector you look at, there are some commonalities. They all require courage. They all require innovative and creative thinking. Saginaw Valley College prepared me to meet those and to be able to create and innovate in those different sectors. And it also provided me examples of courage in terms of how to do those jobs. If we look at chemistry, certainly a lot of things have changed, a lot of things have been discovered. Intelligence is not fixed. It's something that can evolve and grow, and that we can teach in a way to help students grow in their intelligence. And any chemist, any scientist knows that whenever you start out in a field or start out in a new area, you know zero compared to what you're going to discover over the course of several years of experimentation and exploration. Saginaw Valley, for me, one of the things that was most important was the village kind of atmosphere that I needed in order to thrive here. And I think of the community and I think of the village as extending from Detroit all the way up to Saginaw Valley, as well as the security staff that I had a chance to interact with on the evenings. Leo was a security guard, and he had perspective, and he had a patience about him. I come from a family where my father, as a Presbyterian minister, service was important. I think I had good examples of people that were in public service or provided a service to the public, and Leo was one of those that I had a chance to meet, but it was always about respecting adults and respecting other people. He was part of the community, again, that helped me to thrive here at Saginaw Valley. I think of the foundations that I had from my family, my village at home, and in Detroit, families and friends. They all provided a village there. And then Saginaw Valley built upon that foundation through faculty, as well as said, the president and Leo and others. And so I'm most happy to be here, to be able to tell them all thank you.